And yeah, so what's up? I'm back. Yucks, ew, what's up on a typical YouTuber? Ew. So yeah, I'm back again to have another review with the same very cluttered, notorious background. But yeah, here. So we have here today is the Sabbat E12 Ultra. The very famous Sabbat type of earbuds. And this is it with the included case. Here you can see that very beautiful and very nice, as you can see. And this will be somewhat of a fast review than like the past reviews I have been doing. So yeah, so here I'll just be talking about its various features, the unboxing, the Bluetooth connection, and my pros and cons, and then my conclusion. So that's pretty much it. So yeah. Unboxing. This is the unboxing of the Sabbat E12 Ultra, the marble series. It's a very nice type of box, I'll admit. You know. And here, oops, before we go there, let's see behind what's here. There's the Sabbat logo, the branding, and various features here. Showing Bluetooth 5.0 with Qualcomm, support aptX audio recording, CVC 8.0 speech noise reduction, and a single 6+ hours of battery life is what they say. Person's concept, oh, fine. Then also features wireless charging with Qi certified chargers. Then without further ado, let's open this up. Oh, nice, very nice. A logo. An instruction manual. This is a very big instruction manual though. See here. Very well made. Not regular paper. Don't think it was paper in the first place, but yeah. Oh, and my Sabbat comes with its free case. So yeah. Let's take it out. And here is the charging case of the Sabbat. It's a glossy type of finish. I don't really prefer glossy type of packing because they are really notorious in being a fingerprint magnet. Like here, see? You can't really see that much, but these glossy type of finishes are prone to scratches and also fingerprints. These are the two. Wow, they look so good. Let's put it here. Very nice click sound. And the extra ear tips for any type of ear shape so that they feel more comfortable to your ears. And what's inside here? It's a box. Oh, it's a pouch. And this is where the USB Type-C proprietary charging cable is inside, which I suppose you can fit your Sabbat here, I think. Let's try it. Yeah, it fits. Nice. So you can put it here, your Sabbat, if you're not gonna use it. Very cool. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing experience of the Sabbat E12 Ultra. Let's go back. So, its features. Its features are that the Sabbat E12 Ultra has Bluetooth 5.0 connection, and it supports Qualcomm and aptX audio decoding. It has CVC 8.0 speech noise reduction, so you would not typically hear that much of a background noise when you're listening to this kind of earbuds. And that it has, what they say here is that it has 6+ hours of battery life. Well, sure. As for the time that I have been using it, I can believe it. I can believe that it has that kind of long battery life, music playtime. And so yeah, that's pretty much it. That's its features. And oh, this type of earbuds is has so large bass. Like not really that large, to be honest. Like, I mean, but the bass is there. Compared to my, let me find, compared to this Hoho GT1 XR, which has a much more balanced type of sound signature, this has some bass boosted within it. So if ever you're a typical bass head, or when you're listening to a song that has very punchy bass, it will be picked up here, and it is very, very noticeable, believe me. But you know, let's go to the pros and cons. My pros for that is this earbud. Why do I keep on putting it down? This earbud has, or can go very loud. I mean, you can't really max out the volume when you're using this, unlike this one, because this Sabbat can go very loud, because even if it's very high, the volume is very high, the sound is still there. It does not distort. And when you're using this, typically about 60 to 70%, that's enough volume when you're typically using this. And the pros, another pros is that the bass is very nice. Like what I have been saying, the bass is very good for that type of earbuds. And the sound is very clear. Like, yeah, the bass is boosted, but you can still hear various instruments playing all around. I'm sorry, but I can't really provide a type of sound test because, you know, you can't really hear it. You can't really hear it using your own device microphone. But hear it from me. I have been playing type of music for the past week or so, in which I have been daily driving this Sabbat, and it is a very nice type of earbuds. It is a very clear, the vocals are very clear, the instruments, you can hear it very nicely. It has very good instrument separations in which you can hear the guitars, the drums, the voice separately without them being jumbled up like those typical cheap TWS earbuds. And that's pretty much it, I think. And now the cons. The cons I have been having with this is, unlike the GT1 XR, I could not use this without staying in my room. Like, when I'm going out of my room, the GT1 XR I can still connect even when I'm in the bathroom. But here, you need to be close to it. I don't know why. It's supposed to be Bluetooth 5.0, but the connection is sometimes a bit wobbly, you may say. But if you're okay with that, as long as you're just near it, as long as you're just near the source of your music and your earbuds are near that source, it won't really affect you that much. So I guess that's it. That's pretty much it, because this is really good for the value. Well, its value is really high, to be honest, but it's very good. It's a very nice pick, and I could recommend it. And the reason why this is not for me is because I'd rather pick this, because first of all, I don't like the glossy finish in this case. Like, it's very, I don't know, I hate glossy type of finish because they are really prone to scratches and very prone to fingerprints. Well, I know they provided a case, but you know, I still don't like it. You know, it's all preference. It's all preference. And also, the earbuds, they fit really well. They fit really well. But I prefer the type of pill shape this Hoho have, unlike the ergonomically designed Sabbat form factor is. And why it's not for me is that, yeah, the various type of connection delays and wobbly type of sounds, in which, what I mean by wobbly is that the music kind of disconnects. So yeah, that's all. That's my 2 cents. But it's still good. It's still good. Don't get me wrong, it's still good. So yeah, I have so many stops. My words English is hard. So yeah, I recommend this. I recommend this type of product. I recommend the Sabbat. Okay, disclaimer. I should have said this in the start of the video, but you know, I said it at the end because why not? Disclaimer, I am just a regular type of dude using various gadgets that I have been getting, and also I'm not an audiophile and I'm not a very enthusiast that in regards that I don't go that deep into the product. So yeah, look at this as a video of a typical person or a typical casual person using this type of high-end, you can say high-end, but yeah, this type of products. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Good day, and that's it for me, George. I'm signing out.
Okay, so currently this is the sound test of the Sabbat E12 Ultra audio using the mic quality. So currently I'm in the other room from my current setup and I'm using the mic from the earbuds. I don't know why it's echoing. Is it echoing? Maybe. So yeah, ayan. So last night was the most dreadful thing that happened to me. I don't know. Whew! I won't be telling that story anytime soon. So this is the mic test, sound test quality. So just say, how is it? Is it fine? For me, I think it's good. And yeah.
Okay, so a quick video na naman. A quick clip. I was reviewing the mic test quality of the Sabbat E12 Ultra right now, and it's very nice. I admit, like, it's my first time using a wireless earbuds as its mic. It's my first time using its microphone, I mean, and hey, it's good. Very good, very nice. That's all. That's all.